Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today, I'm going to start new journey. That is, we're going to start making content in together, me and with my wife. And that is actually, as you know, we work as a Shopify developer, and I'm continuously giving or uploading content on Shopify, and we give some posts on our daily work because we have involved in multiple projects. And right now I think it's the good time to start working on this in this YouTube channel so that we can share the new content with you. And here I want to share the strategy, actually what and how and what type of content we are going to start sharing from today. So basically, Shopify has been changed a lot, so and we are going to we make a plan. Let me open my door and show you the today. Yes, the weather too cloudy. Let me show you. You see, here is the weather. Okay, so now I'm going to explain everything, actually what we are going to do today, from today. So basically, we're going to start making content on Shopify, and as she started learning video editing, then I hope that I will get the support from her. And actually, we make the shorts video, lots of shorts video, and upload continuously shorts video. Also, the long video. So I'm going to okay. Okay. Also, we will upload the long video every day. And as we start work together, then I believe we can make something special for all of the Shopify user. So what is the new strategy for Shopify user or for my upcoming video? Let me stand up this website mount. 1 second. Hey, let me play this one. Okay, so I'm going to fix it so that I can make a video. Okay, now okay. Now I think it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to share my strategy, what actually we're going to do. In previous, I shared a lot of video relevant Shopify store design, customization, and section development. It was compact for any Shopify user. Now, for simple work, anyone can do this with AI. And now the big pain point of Shopify is that the subscription-based app. Every Shopify store owner use a lot of subscription-based app that could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minimum on average 3 or 5 app they use and pay every month for subscription. And here is my goal from today, that is reflex apps and convert the apps featured into a Shopify theme section so that any specific store they can use any specific feature without any subscription based app. And for this type of work, I'm going to start using AI, and every day I will share the solution, and also you will get the shorts video relevant to this topic. So from now, from my channel, all of Shopify user will get how to create professional Shopify online store from its case without any subscription-based app, without any page builder, without any premium theme. So I hope you understand why I started adding. So here's good news, I already reached the 13,000 subscriber in my YouTube channel. That is very impressive for me, and it gives me inspiration. And from today, as my wife started working with me, so I believe I can give a lots of quality content than any previous time. So all of you stay connected with me and enjoy our new upcoming video, relevant Shopify, store design, customization, development. Also enjoy our new AI skill experiment, how we are learning AI and applying AI on our new project like Shopify store design, store customized development, also marketing, client hunting, even e-commerce business development. Also, we are focused on improve our video quality. So that is totally impressive. Hope everyone will enjoy and stay connected with us and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.